Hello, do you have one big Excel file and need to create many separate files from it? Doing this one by one can take a lot of time. But today I will show you how to do it with just one click. Here I have one master Excel file. It contains information about different departments. For example, HR, finance, IT, sales, marketing, and so on. Normally, you have to filter one department at a time, then copy the data, create a new Excel file, paste the data, and save it. And we have to do the same thing again and again for every department. This can take a lot of time, but we can automate this whole process using a simple VBA. The best part is you only need to change one number in the code. Now go to the description below and go to the link I have provided in the description below, scroll down and copy the code and back into the Excel file. So now press Alt plus F11 together to open the VBA editor. Go to Insert and then click Module from there and Ctrl V to paste the VBA code and scroll up. Here you will found the split column equals 3. So 3 means column C. In my Excel file, the department column is in column C, so I will keep it as 3. If you require column number is column A, you can use 1. If your required column is column B, then use 2. If your required column is column D, then use 4. So just enter the number of the column you want to use. Now let's run the macro. To run the macro, you have to press F5 and the macro is running. And that's it. The files have been created automatically. As there are 5 departments, 5 separate Excel files created successfully, I will click OK. Then let's see where Excel saved the files. I'm closing this editor, and here you can see the macro automatically creates a folder called split files and it is created next to the original Excel file. Here we can see that separated files. We have HR file, we have finance file. If we run the macro multiple times, the multiple files will appear here. So that's why you are seeing the duplicate file, but on your end you will see only the one file for one department. So I am clicking and opening the finance department. Let's open the HR file. As you can see, it contains only the HR records. So Excel automatically separated the data for us. Let's check another file, which is finance. The finance also contains only the finance records. So, and you don't have to use this only for departments. You can split your data by any other columns according to your requirement. So you have to just to change the column number according to your requirement. So instead of manually creating many Excel files, you can let Excel do the work for you. One master file, one simple macro, and multiple separated files. If you found this automation useful, please subscribe to my channel and comment more if you want more simple Excel automations like this. Thank you so much.